Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 2988. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case, you select the Cooler Master HAF 922. Now we're going to boot the computer up, and then we're going to take a look inside and show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer's booted up, let's take a look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Asetek 550LC liquid cooling unit. That is cooling an Intel Core i7 3770K processor. You selected the i7 3770, but we've taken the liberty of upgrading that for you. Beside that, we have 16 gigabytes of G.Skill Ripjaws, 1600 MHz RAM. And below that, for your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 780. This has been installed on an ASUS P8Z77-VLX motherboard. For additional case fans, you selected two 120mm Cooler Master Sikaflows with red LEDs. They've been installed on the front and back of your radiator. And for your power supply, you selected the Corsair TX850. We've given you the TX850M, which is the modular version and allows for much better wire management and airflow in your case overall. And for storage, you selected a 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Taking a look at the front of your computer, you have two USB 3.0 ports, your headphone and mic jack, and eSATA. Below that, we have your NZXC Sentry 2 fan controller to change the speed of the fans. Make sure you're on manual. Then press this fan here to select the fan you want to change. 1 is going to be the fan closest to the front, and 5 is going to be the fan closest to the back. And then press plus or minus to speed up or slow down your fans. Below that, we have your DVD writer. Taking a look at the top of the computer, you have your power button, your fan LED button, and your reset button. Taking a look at the back of the computer, starting from the top, you have two USB 2.0 ports, PS2, HDMI, optical out, DVI and VGA, USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet and your various audio jacks. And below that, we have the ports for your graphics card. Now when plugging your monitor, you're going to want to disregard these ports as they have been disabled. You're going to use the ports on your graphics card first. You have two DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. Going into PC info, you'll see your Intel Core i7 3770K processor with 16 gigabytes of RAM installed on Windows 8. Going into Device Manager, you'll see your Nvidia Geforce GTX 780 graphics card. Now we're going to be running the stress test. This test is called Unigen Heaven, designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video, we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.